Here is our bathroom before. It has fake vinyl tile down from like 15 years ago, so it's discoloring over here, and some of the places are peeling up. You can see the original hex tile. We had some plumbing issues back there that we have repaired and patched the wall. That is a newer sink from 15 years ago, the original medicine cabinet, maybe a 20-year-old light fixture, wallpaper from 20 years ago. The ceiling is actually in good condition. The shower tile is pretty good. It is subway tile. The toilet was replaced a while ago. The air conditioner that used to be in this window leaked, and so there's some wood repair and painting of trim that still needs to be done. But we are going to very quickly tile over the floor and the walls. Eventually, maybe replace this wallpaper, but it's actually sticking pretty well. So that's for later. Let's go for the most glaringly obvious problem, which is the floor. And this is just wood. There used to be plastic tiles here from, I don't know, the 50s or 60s that got taken out. We already repainted the door. It needs another coat. The very nice locking crystal doorknob. Oh, my supervisor just arrived and is displeased that the door is shut.